nighttime scene. The streets are mean. The things I've seen, the good, the bad, and the in-between.
When you dive to prone, you are surely gonna own PhD. When you dive to prone, it's gonna shake you to the bone. All the zombies gonna groan, cause of PhD.
Feel it growing strong, so right that it feels wrong, like the chorus of a song. Not short but not too long.
Slap your body to the floor. Everybody needs some more of your loving, your explosive loving. When you dive prone, it's gonna shake you to the bone. All the zombies gonna groan, cause of PhD. Flop. Damn straight.
When everything's been dragging you down, grabbed you by the hair and pulled you to the ground. If you wanna get up, you need a little revive. If you wanna get up, you need a little revive. Yeah! Your hands are slow, your movement's sluggish, your lack of speed just brings you anguish. Just take a sip, you will move faster. Just try it now, and speed is mastered.
The only one that really moves you. People love speeds of your life.
When you need some extra running, when you need some extra time, when you wanna keep on gunning, when you like a twist of line, when you need to keep on moving, when you need to get away, when you need to keep on grooving, when you need that vitamin K. Babe, you know you want me, let's run the extra mile. I'll open your eyes, I don't make you see, I'll make it worth your while. Sounds like it's stemming up time. Oh yeah, drink it baby, drink it. Friends, neighbors, ladies, gentlemen, if you're feeling underpowered, I'll help you make amends. Stick your weapon in the slot and let it change your luck. Few things in life are guaranteed, but I promise this won't suck. Punch your fists into the air and raise a rebel yell. There's lots of bad uns out there you need to send to hell. With Pack a Punch, I have a hunch your problems will be gone. But if you end up on the ground, sing a country western song. Pack a punch, 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 pack a punch. I was talking to myself just the other day. I was hearing lots of things I never thought I'd say. But one thing I said really blew my mind. I said I don't know me, but I know you. And if you listen closely, we can talk it through. It ain't as simple as we're gonna find. I think I will save you. I think I don't blame you. 'Cause I like you and you like me. I was talking to myself just the other day. Then the bad man came to me away. I feel bad, but not as bad as me. I was talking to myself just the other day. Before the bad man came and took me away. I feel bad, but not as bad as me.
human to forgive is divine. Well, I'm not forgiven and the error ain't mine. He ain't quite human, at least not to my eyes. One sip of this and I'll give them the shock of their lives. Yeah, we got the guns and we got the bombs. And Deadshot heaven, we off skulls for fun. Zero in, baby, zero on that spot. The hot spot, baby, give it all you got. Complaining about your bad aiming. Just try again for me. With the headshot power of Deadshot Daggery.
Rest in pieces, down for the count. No revival, you're bleeding out. Your epitaph says you died a wealthy man, but you could have it all come back. It's his master plan with tombstone, it's tombstone, it's tombstone, it's tombstone. Health is draining, you're on the ropes. Death is waiting, don't lose your hopes. Your will and testament ain't making that much sense. You're listed as the only heir to whom you may bequest. It's tombstone, it's tombstone, it's tombstone, it's tombstone. Tombstone.
Legend tells us of a man, a hero in a tortured land, where senoritas lived in fear, their lonely nights in deep despair. He was El Puro!
Across the fields, across the plains, he ran so fast he dodged the rain.
He was El Puro! He hurried in to save the day, gun in hand, and thrice they say. He was strong like a mule, he was stubborn like a mule, he even kicked like a mule. El Puro, all men are equal, so they say, but some and more, it's just the way. He